What's up guys, I'm Dave Spates and I make hiking videos. Primarily I use the GoPro Hero action cameras. We're going to be filming standard wide angle 5K 24 frames per second. I'm also going to be using the 4K Timewarp linear mode, and I'm going to try it out in the new and improved auto mode and see how I like that footage. I'm also gonna test out the camera. Gonna be shooting in wide angle raw mode, so I have more ability to play with the colors and exposure and post-processing. I will be stress testing the GoPro Hero9. I will be shooting as much as I can to try and drain the battery in 15-second increments. And after this hike, I will go through all the processing of the video, the time warp, and the photos, and I'll leave a review on how good I think it is for hiking vlogs, travel vlogs. Before I get into my initial thoughts of using the GoPro Hero 9 for travel and hiking, videography, footage, short films, YouTube videos, I forgot to add a new key feature to the GoPro Hero 9. Here's some clips from the tilt shift image stabilization that they have been advertising in the ads. Stabilization in the Hero 9 at 5K and 4K Timewarp 3.0 is pretty amazing. They do live up to the claim that you don't need a handheld gimbal stabilizer to take nice smooth footage. Took some pictures with the GoPro Hero 9. I'm not sure I can compare it with the picture quality of any of the other action cameras. Honestly, I don't use the GoPro to take pictures. I use it for 4K, 5K video. That's it. I included some pictures in here in this video just to show you the quality that it can do. I took these in RAW format. The thumbnail though, I fully edited just to see what I could do. It's pretty decent. It looks pretty good for web. Overall, first glance, I've used the GoPro for 2 hikes, 20 miles, about 5,000–6,000 feet of elevation gain. I've got a lot more testing to do. Initial thoughts is I'm all in on the GoPro 9. For me, it's worth it just because of the battery life. So let me get to the battery life. The first day I went out, it was about 50–60 degrees. I took 60 clips. About 40% of those clips were Timewarp 3.0, which really doesn't drain the battery that much, and the other 60% were 5K, which is going to be your battery drainer. Note that I did turn off the self-facing camera because I really don't need it that much in hiking and travel videos. And I did the stress test on the first hike I did. It was pretty much on for 2 hours straight. I was taking a clip every minute, 15-second clips, and when I was done with the hike, the GoPro Hero 9 was at about 7% battery. If you make your travel videos with the Hero 8, do you need the Hero 9? Maybe, maybe not. It all depends on what you're going for. Me, personally, I go on long, sometimes 12, 14-hour hikes. I need that battery life. Sometimes I go on camping trips. I need something that can take footage all day long. So I always carry extra batteries on me, portable chargers. The GoPro Hero 9 just makes it easier because it lasts longer. With winter coming, the battery life just sells me completely on going for the GoPro Hero 9. And that is why I upgraded. I'm gonna buy batteries. I don't like changing batteries in the winter. You gotta take off your gloves. You gotta freeze your hands. I need a battery that I can at least take 30–40 clips with at full resolution. GoPro Hero 9 being 5K. If I can take 30–40 clips in the winter before the battery dies, I'm happy. So those are my initial thoughts on the GoPro Hero 9. If you like these types of videos, let me know in the comments. I'll try and make more of them. Maybe some photography based, how I edit my GoPro footage, whatever. Just let me know in the comments of what you want and I can make time to do that. Still, every Friday I try to upload a new hiking video. If you like the content I make, hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to be updated whenever I post new content, hit that bell. But until the next hike, or until the next gear hiking photography review, catch y'all around.